Imagine this, it's 2030. You wake up in the morning and your bed is already made. You walk into the kitchen and breakfast is waiting for you, perfectly cooked, exactly how you like it. Your floors, spotless. Your laundry, folded and organized in your closet. And you didn't lift a finger. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the reality we're stepping into. Right now, in 2025, companies are perfecting robots that will completely eliminate household chores from your life. And by 2030, these machines will be in millions of homes across America. Today, I'm revealing the top 3 household robots that are about to change everything. These aren't toys. These aren't gimmicks. These are fully functional, AI-powered assistants that will give you back something you can never buy: time. So which robot will revolutionize your home first? Let's find out. Starting at number 3, the Tesla Optimus Home Assistant. And trust me, this is where things get insane. Elon Musk shocked the world when he announced that Tesla wasn't just making cars anymore. They're making fully functional humanoid robots designed specifically for your home. And this isn't some distant dream. Production models are already being tested, with consumer releases planned for the late 2020s. So what exactly can Optimus do? Everything you hate doing. This 5'8", 125-pound robot is designed to handle repetitive household tasks with precision that rivals, or even exceeds, human ability. Picture this. You come home from work exhausted. Optimus has already vacuumed every room, wiped down your kitchen counters, organized your pantry, and even watered your plants. But here's where it gets wild. It learns your preferences. Through advanced AI and machine learning, Optimus studies your habits. It knows you like your coffee mugs on the second shelf. It remembers that you prefer your living room vacuumed in diagonal lines. It adapts to your lifestyle, becoming more efficient every single day. And safety? Tesla has built in multiple redundancy systems. Optimus uses advanced sensors to detect humans, pets, and obstacles. It moves carefully, deliberately, ensuring that even if your toddler runs into the room, there's zero risk of injury. The Tesla Optimus isn't just replacing a single chore, it's replacing hours of your day. Imagine reclaiming 10, 15, even 20 hours per week. What would you do with that time? Learn a new skill? Spend more time with your kids? Finally start that side business? By 2030, Tesla estimates Optimus could cost less than a mid-range car. That's a one-time investment for a lifetime of freedom from chores. That's not an expense. That's an investment in your life. But Optimus is just the beginning. Let's talk about number 2. At number 2, we have something that's going to blow your mind. The Maid robotic kitchen. And yes, you heard that right. An entire robotic kitchen. This isn't a robot that helps you cook. This is a robot that completely replaces the need for you to cook. Ever. Again. Here's how it works. Maid features 2 fully articulated robotic arms installed directly into your kitchen. These arms have been programmed by world-class chefs to replicate over 5,000 recipes with absolute precision. You wake up, tell Maid through a simple touchscreen or voice command what you want for breakfast, and it handles everything. Scrambled eggs with perfectly diced peppers? Done. French toast with caramelized bananas? No problem. A 5-course Italian dinner for your anniversary? Maid's got you covered. But here's the magic. Maid doesn't just cook. It handles the entire process. It retrieves ingredients from your smart refrigerator, measures everything precisely, cooks at exact temperatures, plates your meal beautifully, and then cleans up afterward. Think about what this means. No more meal planning stress. No more grocery shopping confusion. No more burnt dinners because you got distracted. No more arguing about whose turn it is to cook. Maid eliminates all of that. And for families with dietary restrictions, game changer. Maid can prepare separate meals simultaneously, gluten-free pasta for your daughter, keto-friendly dinner for you, and regular mac and cheese for your son. All cooked perfectly, all at the same time. Now, I know what you're thinking. This must cost a fortune. Currently, yes. Early adopter models are expensive. But by 2030, as production scales up and technology becomes more affordable, analysts predict Maid-style robotic kitchens could be as common as dishwashers are today. Major appliance manufacturers are already developing competing models. Samsung, LG, and Bosch have all announced they're working on robotic cooking systems. Competition drives prices down, which means by the end of the decade, automatic cooking won't be a luxury, it'll be standard. The average American spends over 400 hours per year cooking and cleaning up meals. With Moley, you get all of that time back. That's almost 17 full days, every single year, returned to you. But as incredible as Moley is, there's one robot that tops them all. Let's get to number 1. And here it is, the robot that does it all. Number 1, the Amazon Astro Plus Ultimate Home Assistant. Now, you might be familiar with the original Amazon Astro, the cute little robot that rolls around your house, monitors security, and plays with your pets. But the Astro Plus Ultimate? That's an entirely different beast. Amazon has transformed Astro from a novelty into a legitimate household necessity. The Plus Ultimate model, set to launch in 2028 to 2029, combines home security, entertainment, monitoring, cleaning, and AI assistance into one seamless platform. Let's break down why this robot is a complete game changer. First, security. Astro Plus patrols your entire home 24/7. Using advanced cameras, thermal imaging, and AI-powered threat detection, it can identify potential break-ins, fire hazards, water leaks, or even if you left the stove on. It doesn't just send you an alert, it actively responds. If it detects smoke, it immediately contacts emergency services while using its speaker system to wake everyone in the house. If it spots an intruder, it follows them with its camera, records everything in 4K, and sends real-time footage to your phone and the police. Second, cleaning and organization. Astro Plus has a modular attachment system. Need vacuuming? It attaches a powerful vacuum unit. Need mopping? It swaps to a mopping attachment. Need to organize toys? It can pick up items and place them in designated storage areas. It maps your entire home in 3D, creating the most efficient cleaning routes. It knows where your furniture is, remembers where your kids usually drop their backpacks, and even identifies high-traffic areas that need more frequent cleaning. So there you have it. The top 3 household robots that are about to change everything. The Tesla Optimus Home Assistant, your tireless humanoid helper that handles everything you hate doing. The Moley Robotic Kitchen, your personal chef that cooks gourmet meals and cleans up afterward. And the Amazon Astro Plus Ultimate, the all-in-one AI assistant that protects, cleans, organizes, and anticipates your every need. These aren't concepts. These aren't fantasies. These are real products in development right now that will be in stores before 2030. So here's my question for you. Which robot are you most excited about? Are you Team Optimus, ready for a humanoid assistant? Are you Team Moley, dreaming of never cooking again? Or are you Team Astro, wanting that all-in-one AI companion? Drop a comment below and let me know. I want to hear which one you'd bring into your home first, and why. And if you found this video valuable, if you're as excited about this future as I am, do me a favor, smash that like button. It helps more people discover what's coming. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.